Okay, welcome muli po tayo. This is the final game for the day sa ating Friday night basketball action. Witnessing now the final game for the day between the Sky Team in Sky Blue. And of course, versus po yan po ang Mechanicos playing po, yan po, black naman po. Ano po ito? This is your Aviation Friend League, the Basa Flying League. Okay, ito po yun. The Aviation Friend Basa Flying League will like to thank the following sponsors. Nandiyan po ang Thread Needles and Team LBC haring padala. And of course, nandiyan po ang SPB ARA, PSB Basketball League, and of course, meron po tayo, di ba, community billboard po tayo ngayon. Ang bagong Philippines Vloggers po, meron pong fundraising drive po para po sa Bangon Cebu. For details po, sa gusto mo mag-donate po, just visit the Bagtit channel for details. Nandiyan po, nakasulat po dyan po ang link po. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po ang bagong Pilipinas Vloggers po. Now, final game for today. Playing blue, yan po ang Sky Team. And of course, playing black po, yan po ang The Mechanicos. Okay, wala na pong ano po ito. For sure. Sky Team Mechanicos, ano? Ano po ulit? Ay, sakit. Sir Talisik, sir. Okay, final team po. The final game na po tayo yun. Sky Team Mechanicos. Almost a sister team po itong dalawang to. Dahil same department po. Same department po ang team na to. Ang Sky Team tsaka Mechanicos. Yan, sa maintenance department. Sa airport, aircraft maintenance department yan. Tama, di ba? Pre, anong departamento to? Iba, aircraft maintenance, di ba? Okay, we're just waiting for the opening whistle sa ating final game for today. Okay, first quarter action now. Nandiyan po si Brian, Riol. Of course, si Mr. A, si Abrigana. Si number 30, that's De Guzman. At yung huli po, si Trapal. Kabila naman, of course, nandiyan si Castro. Si Ying. Si Ying nandyan. Okay, sir. Si Brian, si Brian din. Idol. Okay. Okay, si Castro, si Ying, si number 11, at si number... Kulang, lang si isa. 1, 2, 3, 4. O, isa pa. Okay, sino pa yung pang-apat po? Last player po. Okay, si number 0. Okay, De Guzman, number 30. Okay, yan po mag-skipper yata. Royol, and number 11, si Calma, para sa opening jump ball. Almost sister team naman itong dalawa eh. Sister team itong dalawa eh. 10 minutes basketball action now. Pops up. Ito na. Nakuha ni Zero. Jerome. Calma. No good. Rapal. De Guzman. Binabang bola. De Guzman number 30. And Abrigana. Ayun. Royol. No good. Rebound by Ying. Wala, para papawis na ng tutad siya. Calma. Ying. Palpal. By Trapal. Ying again. Ying. Braille. Binabantayan. Jerome. Pops up for 2. 2 points, Jerome.
2 points na. Walk 2.
Long 2 by Jerome. 2-0. 2-0. Braille. Trapal. Nice pass. Royol. Fade away shot. Wala. Number 0, Ying. Ying. Bring down the ball. Number 0. Pops up for 3. No good. Castro. Dish of pass. And 1. Out of bounds. Sky Team ball. De Guzman. Brian. De Guzman again. De Guzman, number 30. Abrigana. No good. Then again, Ying. Toss the ball. Trapal. Royol. 2 points. Duel. 2 points Riol. Number 0. 0 for 3. Nope, it's Ying. Ying. Jerome pops up. No good. One more time. Jerome. Calma. Number 00. Ying. Calma. Jerome, no good. Castro again. Castro. Palpal. Braille. 2 points, Braille. 2 points, Braille. Braille, 2 points. Ito po tayo, Ying. And 1 play. Paano kung nakaselect to, bro? Paano yung standing ni...
Jersey number 28, Royal.
Pag naselect.
That's your first personal foul.
Magbabaliktad lang naman sila ng
Walang bababago.
magbabaliktad lang sila ng
On the line, bonus free
cash.
throw.
Oh,
Ying.
number 5.
Ying. Wala.
Kasi win by others sila eh. Tinahanap sila.
Oh. Trapal. 2 points, Trapal.
Fast break.
The trap is in. Okay, Jerome. Trapaling is Jerome. Castro. Jerome again.
14 shot.
Castro. In the way shot. 2 points, Castro.
Grabe naman yun, batang-bata.
Castro, 2 points. Abregana. De Guzman. Pops up. Wala.
Ying.
Ying. Number 0. Ying. Woy. In and out. 2 points. Nilinis yung ring.
2-point lead for Mecanical.
6:46 remaining. Trapal. Riol, 2 points. Magkakilala itong mga ito eh. Oh, Hanger Boys to eh. Magkakilala. Abregana, nakadakaw, 2 points. Yes, basket by Abregana. Abregana. Again by Trapal. Trapal naman. Trapal. Binabambola. Trapal. Riol. Nakuha. De Guzman. Out of bounds. And black ball po tayo. Black ball. Black ball. Black ball po tayo. Black ball.
Francis.
Calma. No goal. Rebound. Trapal. No, it's Riol. De Guzman. Ryle. 2 points. Ryle 2 points.
Boracay.
Jerome.
Hika.
Ying. Midway shot.
Jumper.
2 points. Ying.
Pasok.
10-12. 5:25.
2-point lead.
Abregana. Binabambola. Abregana. No good. Abregana again. Big pass kay Bry for 3. Pasok ang bola kay Bry. Bry 3 points.
Last possession tayo. Prepare na mga second unit.
0. Calma.
Francis.
Calma 2 points.
Change unit.
Change unit po tayo ngayon. Okay, sa kabila sa mechanics muna po. Papasok po si Talisik, si Baklaan. Sa kabila ng post, nandiyan po, of course, nandiyan si marami-rami yan. Nandiyan si Lacanilaw. Nandiyan din si Yambao. Of course, nandiyan din, of course, number 25. And nandiyan po si number 5 at si Palmones. Rob. Calma to Ying. Ying, binabambola ni Ying. Ying, binabambola ni Ying. Ying! 2 points by Ying.
Down to 1-point lead.
Okay, 1 point din na naman. Ying, 2 points. 4:31 remaining. Lacanilaw. Side step. Palmones pops up. 2 points. Baklaan naman, binabang bola, baklaan. 4:13 remaining. Ying, Talisik. 4-3. Idol! Ang play. Nako, ang galing. Bank shot. Boarding pa, binigay. Yambao. 2 points Yambao. Okay, lamang muli po ng 4, 17-21 ang score. Uy!
Basket from
Basket
Francis.
by Francis Calma, 2 points. Dumapas si Yambao doon. Malapad. Okay, ito po tayo. Baklaan. 19-0 rather. 19-0. Baklaan. Nawala ang bola. Balik muli po sa Sky Blue ang bola. Sa Sky Team ang bola. 3:27 remaining. Ito na naman siya. Malapad. Galang kay Lacanilaw. Malapad. Ito Palmares. Kick pass. Lacanilaw. No good. Rebound. Palmares. Lopez. Malapad. 3-second violation. Bakla. Sino? Palmares? Oh, bato-bato eh. Di naglaro ng 50s kay Jamal.
Calma. Pass to jersey number 0.
Pops up. Bank shot. No good. Ito naman siya. Malapad. Palpal. Nice block by Calma. Asher James is watching. Palmares ako ng bola. Palmares. Kick pass. Yambao. Easy to. Okay, Mechanicals first time called by Mechanicals at 2:27 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Third game po tayo. Third and final game. Bukas po ha. Ang laro po natin bubukas are as follows. Okay, first game for tomorrow is Hub and of course QR Projects.
First game sila.
Placing po sila. Placing din yan. Mahalagang laro po. Of course, last game po is QDF versus ito po ang Team Oryx. And of course, before that pala po ha. Okay, next year po tayo. 40s naman po tayo. Doha Friendly League alabangan ang pagbabalik. Yan po ang Doha Friendly League naman. Okay. Okay, balik po tayo. Baklaan from Talisik. Baklaan, binabang bola. Scouting din yata ito mga ito eh. Talisik. For 3 again. Bang! Back-to-back field goals by Talisik. 22-21. Woy! Deka lang po.
There's a ball. Ball available jersey number 11.
Calma called for a foul. Okay, Lacanilaw number 15. Pops up. No good. Scouting ha. Second shot Lacanilaw. No good pareho. Yibang by Ying. Ying nakarebound. 22-21. Ito naman sila. Ying. Shake and pin. Ying. Ayong. Talisik. 2 points Talisik. 2 points Talisik. 1:41 remaining. Ito naman siya. Pops up for 3. No good. Palmares. No good pa rin. Palmares, power move. Lopez, Baklaan nandun. Baklaan. No good. That is Lacanilaw. Lacanilaw rebound. The high flyer. Lacanilaw again. Pops up. Wala. Di pa mapasok si Enteng yan, tsaka si Billy. 1 minute 8 remaining. Lamang po ng 3 ang Mechanicals over the Sky Team. 1:04 remaining.
1 minute.
Oh, ano yan? Pasok ulit. Number 0, 3 points, 27-21. Kasi no bearing pa rin po dito. Mag-change po ng placing kasi malapad. Out of bounds. Touch by the black shirts.
40 seconds remaining. Shot clock natin. 12 seconds. 12 seconds to shoot. In 13 seconds. 11 seconds. Shot clock.
50. Kaya. Uy! Laki ninaw! 2 points laki ninaw! High flyer. Parang ano, lumilipad. And
30
Ying.
seconds.
Ying. Wala. No foul.
Yes.
Talisik. Papsa. 2 points Talisik.
15 seconds.
Gambao.
10.
Palmares. Laki nilaw.
Ilaw.
No good. Wala pa rin. Okay, Ying. Wala na.
Official score. 29.
Okay, after first quarter action.
Dito ako, nanonood ako eh.
In favor of Mechanical.
Ano yung parehas hanger? Mekaniko siya ka, ano, Sky?
Sky Team. Sino yan?
Oo.
Si Albert. Okay, second quarter start. Laman po ng 6 ang Mechanicos. 29-23. Second quarter naman po tayo. Yan, si Enteng, si Billy Siena, si Mike, at si number 2. Si number 2. Hello.
Back to the ball game.
Sa kabila na po, of course, nandiyan si Jerome, si Castro, nandiyan din po si Ying, si Baklaan, at si Kalma. Okay, Billy Siena na for the inbound. Billy Siena, number 2. To Mike, MYK, si Mike. Mike. 21. Mike again. Siena for 3.
Billy.
No.
Wala.
Good ball. Jerome 11. Pops up. No good. Sora.
Pass to Siena.
Pops up. 3 points. Number 21, 3 points. Running shot, wala. Rebound pa Enteng. Enteng, nagmamadali. Kick pass, Billy. Billy. Mike, MYK. Wala. Castro. Binatong bola kay Ying. Ying. Jerome, wala. Rebound Barwan by Ying. Blue ball. Blue ball. Coach Mike, thanks si Mike, MYK. Enteng. Siena.
What's Mike?
Mike.
Back to Billy.
Billy.
14 shot clock.
Sora, 2 point Sora, fadeaway shot, good. Wala pa si Ego
Down
dito.
to 1 point lead.
Ito naman, Ying. Power move. 2 points Kalma.
Basket.
8-7 remaining. Billy Siena. Siena, naipit. Siena. Hinahabol sa Baklaan. Ako, sayang. Okay, blue ball daw sabi. Blue ball. Siena, inbounding. Siena for the inbound. Number 2. Hands. Pops up. Wala. Nice one by Enteng. Enteng 2 points. 2 points Enteng. 7:30 remaining.
Assist was Mike.
Mike, Jerome. No good. And nandun si Billy Siena. Siena, Billy. Billy Siena. Nakalusot. Enteng.
Tingnan mo yung nananaga.
No good.
Sora.
Sora, wala. Walang kawala. Sora, 2 points.
Hana. Mechanical.
Mechanicals called for the timeout. Okay, laman po, 31-32. Billy, siya si Iko. Si Iko. Masakit likod?
Hindi na naman gala.
Bakit?
Masakit ko yung
Okay. Okay. Saan tayo? Yung broster? Gusto mag-burger? Burger King, o ano? Delicerna. Sino yung Delicerna? Sino?
Si Neri.
Si Neri. Si Mike?
Oo, si Mike.
Mike Delicerna?
Yan pala ang dila. Kinuha ko yan dito nila. Hindi mo na yung dila siya. Doon yun, ang layo eh. Alcor. Yung intercompany.
Ito, sagot niyo, no? Sagot niyo yung sasakyan. Okay, 31-32 po score po natin. Okay, hanap po muna po tayo. Okay, this is your aviation friendly dubbed as a flying league. Would like to thank the following sponsors. Okay, yan po yan. And of course, meron na community billboard po tayo. Ang bagong Philippines Vloggers po. Meron pong bayanihan sa pagbangon Cebu. Fundraising project po yan po. For entrance inside parties po yan po. Just visit the Bagtit channel for details. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po ang bagong Philippines Vloggers. Eto na. Baklaan. Binababa ang bola. Jerome. Naipe. Pops up. Wala. Nice. Swipe.
Shot clock natin. 1 second.
6:45 remaining. 6:40 remaining. Ying. Ying. Naipit. Ying.
5 shot clock.
Baklaan. Castro. Soft touch. No good. Rebound. Jerome. Pops up. No good din. Castro. Nagmamadali. Nandun sa Baklaan. Nandun. Still completed. Nandun si Kalma naman. Kalma. 4-on-2 situation. Kalma. Tukon nilabot. Sora. Binababa. Foul call by Ying. Ying called for the foul. 6:07 remaining. Mapapagat tayo.
Sabi na nagsabay pa talaga kayong dalawa, no?
Enteng dilabas muna kay Siena. Billy. 2 points, Billy.
Basic!
Billy, 2 points. Billy, 2 points. Jerome.
Jerome, 14 shot clock. Ying.
2 points, Ying. Siena, 5:46 remaining. Siena. Billy Siena, out of bounds. Kaning rep. Who's ball rep? Bola daw po ng itim. Ying. Jerome. Wag daw, sabi ng referee. Ayaw daw yun. Ayaw nila yun. Ayaw nung wag daw ganun. Sabi ng referee. Balik muli po tayo yun. Okay, Mr. Jerome. Pops up. 2 points. Okay, 35-34. Lamang na naman ang Mechanicals. Enteng. Naipit. Nanakawan. Castro. Naipitin. Castro. Running shot. No good. Sayang. Siena naman. Bilis Siena. Mike. In and out. Baklaan. Jerome. Okay, second line na po tayo yun. Okay, nandiyan po si Talisik, papasok din, pat si number 0. Sa kabila po, traplot dun sa puso po yan. Of course, nandiyan naman si Royol, Trapal, Abregana, De Guzman, at si Braille. Okay. Blue ball.
Inbound ng
Sky Team for the inbound. Sky Team for the inbound po tayo, mga boss. De Guzman to Braille. Braille, binababa ang bola. Brian binabana to De Guzman again. De Guzman. And Trapal. Nandi si Riol. Riol in and out. Kalma, nawala ang bola. Blue ball. Blue ball daw, blue ball. Brigana to Brian for 3. No good. Kalma. Binato kay Ying. Wala. Uy! Nakapatong eh. Disma para Dukot sa ilalim. Wala. Riol. And one pa binigay. Riol 2 points plus bonus free throw. 3:54 remaining at 37-36. Riol 28. Pops up. Wala. Bryle. Pops up again. Pasok. 2 points Bryle. Sky Team, binababa ang bola. Touch last. Again, Kalma. Nawala ang bola. Riol, De Guzman, Bryle, De Guzman, lost the ball. Kalma, Ying again. Ying, and one play pati. Sabutan. Kuling niya. Ying, inbound, Ying. Bonus free throw coming. 3:06 remaining. First shot. Pasok. 40-38. Lamang po ngayon ang dalawa ang The Mechanicos. Bryle. Pasok din. Bryle the sniper. Bryle the sniper. 3 points. 2:37 remaining. Africana against Jerome. Africana, Jerome, nakalusot. Jerome, power move. Kalma. 2 points, Kalma, sorry. Kalma, 2 points. Riol, nawala ang bola. 2 points. Number 0, 2 points. Riol, finger roll, wala. Bryle, naka-rebound. Bryle naman. 2 points. Easy 2 by Bryle. Okay, Jerome, number 11. Zigzagging its way. Nawala ang bola and Jerome called for a foul.
Foul committed on jersey number 11. Sino? Si Kalma o sino?
Okay, Trapal for the inbound. Bryle, malalim kay Riol ang bola, number 0. Iniwanan na lang. Pops up. Pambira, pangatlo na yan. Talisik 3 points, 1:05 remaining. Bryle for 3. Wild, no good. Di binawi.
55 seconds.
Ying.
Triple team.
Talisik, nakalusot. Talisik na yan. Talisik, balik, pinasahan. Trapal. Abregana, Riol. Riol. 2 points to Riol. Binato, ang layo.
35 seconds.
Out of bounds.
2-point lead.
35 seconds remaining. Balik muli po sa blue ang bola. Sky blue. Hindi matan. Trapal. Papsa. Bryle. No good.
Rebound.
Abrigana for 3. No good din. One more time. Ayun na, wala na. Ging.
15 seconds.
Kalma. I'm just gonna play 2 points. Sir Masbang is watching. 12 seconds remaining. Kick pass. Di Guzman. Uy! Ging. And one sa
Basket.
basket made by the referee. Yes. Okay, the score is 51-45. Laman po ng 6 ang team Mechanicos. Halftime muna po tayo. Magbabalik po kami. Referee siya?
Sa ano yan? Sa kabayan.
Siya ang kumanta.
Third quarter. Bola po ng Mechanicos.
Okay, Mechanicos ball. Another 10 minutes muli po tayo.
Babae po kalaban. Hindi na tumingin ang class. Hindi na natingin.
Okay, tapos na. Okay. Mechanicos, baklaan. Binabama ang bola. Nakamatig na.
Almost.
Laki nilaw. Billy Siena.
Mukhang seryoso
2 points Siena. Ito na, mukhang na. Okay, ito na. Mukhang magaling to.
4-point lead. Kalma.
Kalma. Abrigana again. Binabambol ni Abrigana for 3.
5 against 3. Take it.
Nope, ayaw.
Rome.
Jerome.
Pass to Ying.
Abrigana nakuha ang bola.
Pass to Di Guzman.
Guzman, Siena,
Ansel Fish.
Palmores, malakas.
Francis. Kalma. Defense pa niya Kanilaw.
Laki na, wala.
Grabe sa rebound.
Pops up, 2 points. Kalma. Kalma, 2 points. Palmares.
Palmares na.
Palmares. Nandun si Ying. 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 Billy Ying. Pasok ang bola. 55-47. Lamang na po muli po ng 8. Lamang na naman ulo po ang Mechanicos.
Walo ang kalamangan.
Ying na naman.
Steal by Ying. Francis. Intercepted as well by Digosman. Digosman. Pass to Africana.
Africana.
Ansaldes.
Laki na lang 2 points. Laki na lang 2 points.
Seryoso na no? Traffic defense na. Ying. Okay. Nakalusot. Jojo. Last defense.
Foul ko.
Africana. May foul na lang.
Africana called for a foul.
Foul in jersey number
55-49. Lamang po ang team. Alam mo na. Mechanicos.
For Cuba, Sky Team. Basket for Ying.
Second shot ni Ying.
7-1 lead.
Pops up. Wala. Blue ball. Represents blue ball.
Sky Team ball.
Christian Torino Mendoza. Black ball still completed. Kalma. Bang!
Sampo. Going to countdown. Africana. Wala. Jojo. Recover. Back. Francis. Pass panglahan. Panglahan. Wala. Rebound. Billy.
Billy 2 points. Ah! Billy 2 points. Okay.
Timeout.
Mechanicos called for a timeout. Siyensya na pa, hindi ko na pan-in yun. Mabilis kasi.
6-point lead. Back to the ball game.
Mechanicos ball.
Sergios, defended by Africana. Double team na. Oh, ilan na?
8-second violation. Parang sister team kasi, battered the sister team dito. 8-second violation call.
Billy, pass
Billy.
to Rion. Operating
Yun,
under.
wala. Rebound by Yingigin. 59-53. Nandun na. Trapal. Royol. Uy! Royol, kalpal. Wala. Blocking. Block po. And of course, foul for Kalma.
Substitution.
Riol number 28 shooting for 2.
That's the second personal foul.
Okay, 6:37 remaining, 59-53. Riol 28, 2 shots given. First shot good.
Sambay lang yan. Pagpasok ko.
Second shot. Pasok. Patok. 6:37 remaining po tayo. 59 PPW po tayo. Jerome. Kalma. Kalma. Palpal. Foul. Take 2. Riol. Take 2. Si Kalma.
Pangalawa pa yan, sir. Second team foul for QR Sky Team. Lamang pa rin ang apat yung Ligados. Hindi pumasok yung muna.
Second shot. Pasok.
Pasok yung pangalawa.
It's patok. Oh, eto na naman.
Equal violation.
Okay. Riol. Trapal. Trapal. Lakanilaw. 2 points Lakanilaw. Tatlo. Bag nagkatao-tao naman sila.
3-point lead.
Talisik. Inbounding. Sir Talisik. Hoy. Oh, teka lang.
Substitution.
Okay, sabon na po tayo. Si Bral papasok muna para kay Nino. Okay, kay Trapal. Of course, si Sora naman para kay Riol. Okay, Brigano Riol pa pinalitan nila. Okay, sige na. Nawala ang bola. Still completed. Ayan naman sila. Trapal. 2 points, Trapal. Para
1-point lead.
masyadong malapad si Trapal.
Sergio.
Ito na po tayo yun. Ito na. Nakalusot. 2 points. Number 0, 2 points. 52, 62, 59. Brian thinking 3. No good. Rebound. Yeah. Sora.
Foul committed on jersey
Number
number 11.
11.
11. Rome. Francis.
Pangatlo ni Kalma. Sora shooting for 2.
Kalma. Third personal foul.
Third personal for Mr. Kalma. Sora, number 7. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Sora, second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up. Wala pareho. Enteng! Wala!
Wala pa rin.
Enteng muli! Enteng! Wala pareho.
Wala pa rin.
Kalma, binababa ang ball ni Kalma. Talisik. Uy! Same ball. Nice stop.
Tandang natin. 11 seconds. Substitution.
Okay, si Yamba papasok na para kay Trapal. Okay, si Baklaan muna papasok din para kay Jerome.
11 seconds to shoot.
Talisik. Kick pass kay Ying. Binomba. Nando si Enteng. Kompleto si Enteng. And Lakanilaw. Wala.
Sidestepping. Wala.
Brian, nilabas muna. Enteng. Lakanilaw. 2 points sa Lakanilaw. Hop. Technical foul called. Slap.
Sir, kakatira lang.
Okay na, okay. Okay, technical free throws now to be shot by Braille. Bench decorum po. Technical foul on Mechanicals for bench decorum. Okay, Braille. Technical free throws coming up. 62-61 to tie the ball game. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, 62 all.
Ang last score.
Okay, after some time, nag-deadlock muli po tayo. 60-12 po tayo yun. Between Sky Team and Mechanicos. Maverick Valdez is watching. Pops up! No good. Talisi, kinabot ng bola. Umabot. Talisik. Pinabantayan. Yambao, binabambo ni Yambao. And one play made by Yambao.
Basket. Foul jersey number 4. Baklaan.
Jersey number 4 Baklang called for a foul. Yambao for a bonus shot. Change favor na po tayo ngayon. Sky Team now leading by 3 points already. 65-62. Ying. Number 0. Francis. Number 0. Pops up. Tapos. Oh. Same ball daw.
Shot clock to run it is 8 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot. Josh.
Talisik. Ying. Same ball.
Shot clock 5. 5 seconds to shoot.
Ying. 2 points Ying.
Down to 1 point lead.
Laki nilaw. Binababa ang bola. Laki nilaw. The high flyer. Laki nilaw. Okay, sabi daw ni referee. Okay, confirm sa itim po ang bola.
Substitution.
Ying.
May foul tayo.
Ying shooting for 2. 2:37 remaining.
Foul committed to jersey number 19, Brian.
Brian called for a foul.
That's your first personal foul. 13 foul.
Okay, Brian.
You are Sky Team.
Okay, Ying number 0 shooting for 2. Ying first shot. Pasok.
Basket.
Ying second throw jumpers ready po tayo. Ying second throw jumpers ready po tayo. It's out. Brian. Brigana. Yambao, malakas ang pektus. Brian, oh, si Daisy. Called for the foul.
Number 0.
Number 0, Ying called for the foul.
Okay. 0-0 tayo. Basket Josh.
Okay, 0-0 pa lang foul.
Substitution. Sir Josh. First personal.
Okay, Brian, 40 minutes para kay Siena. Billy Siena. Ente! Foul!
Right foul tayo.
Okay, Kalma called for the foul.
On jersey number 11, Francis.
Kalma called for the foul.
Jerome pala, Jerome. Jerome, first second personal. Penalty na rin po, penalty.
Pops up. It's out.
Okay, wala. First try.
Second shot, Enteng. Enteng, second throw.
Second try.
Pops up. Pasok.
Pasok. Josh, depende ba kini?
2 points, Josh.
Dapat ulit. Yabaw, atake.
Tapos.
Josh. Pass to Baklaan.
Baklaan again.
3 against 2.
Hop! Si Daisy. Double dribble. Okay, double dribble. Okay, si Castro papasok para kay Talisik. Siena. De Guzman. Africana. Umapak sa linya. Hop!
Substitution.
Sub do tayo. Isang kwarto.
Third.
Kalma, number 11.
Francis.
For 3. Ah! Bola.
Bola ng Sky Team.
Sky Team daw po, Sky Team.
Sige po. Substitution.
And Abergana for 3. Tapos. Sa Abergana.
Josh.
Oh!
Call yun, De Guzman.
De Guzman called for a foul.
Warning for penalty.
Sky Team.
Personal foul.
1:11 remaining. Eto naman siya. Kalma. No good. Siena.
Attacking now. De Guzman. Basket is
De
good.
Guzman. 2 points. De Guzman, bonus video coming up.
Foul on Baklaan. That's his second personal foul.
Ganda sa part si De Guzman ah.
56 seconds.
Dilaw na dilaw.
Against Sky Team. 1 point.
Okay, De Guzman pops up. Wala. Rebound by the Black Sharks. Foul.
Pasok. Foul penalty.
Penalty situation, Sky Team.
Both teams at penalty.
Okay, for sure, Kalma shooting for 2.
Personal foul.
Riol, pangatlo na yan, Mr. Riol. Kalma shooting for 2 po tayo. Kalma, 51 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter action. Matatapos na po. Upcoming the final 10 minutes po natin po ngayon sa ating larong ito. Kalma, first shot, pasok. Kalma, second throw, jumpers, ready po tayo. Kalma, 11. Jumpers, ready po. Kalma, pops up. Pasok pareho.
Lamang ulit.
Lamang na naman ang Mechanicos. De Guzman. Riol, nakuha. Siena, Riol again. Riol.
14 shot
Points
clock.
na.
Ngayon, basket. 35 seconds.
Oy!
There's a foul. Foul on Billy Siena.
Billy Siena called for a foul. 32 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter action. 69-70 po tayo. Kalma, first shot. Pasok. Kalma, second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Kalma, second free throw. Jumpers ready po. Kalma, second throw. Jumpers ready. Basket bait, 71-70. De La Serna.
Billy.
Billy Siena.
Pass to the Guzman.
Guzman, pops up, wala.
Wala. Kanina. Foul rebound.
Nakalaw, masyadong malakas.
Foul na binigay. Sinakay. First number 35. Lakay. First personal foul.
Okay, Kalmash. Called for a foul. Ano yan? Kalma. Okay, laki nila. First shot. Pasok. Okay, tabla na naman. 7-1 all.
Basket for Lakadilaw.
Second throw na kanya. Jumper siya ready po tayo.
Bakla. Ang score.
Baho nandun.
16 seconds
Nakulog.
remaining third quarter.
Nakulog. Laki nila, number 15. Okay, for the lead again. Pops up. Wala. Nando si Laki Nilaw. Laki Nilaw. Tukot. Wala rin. Jerome, binaba na. Naya hoop. Si JC.
5 seconds remaining.
Abrigana. Abrigana.
Bakla ang score sa 71 all.
71 all po tayo. Jerome Abrigana, binabantayan.
Baklaan.
Baklaan! 2 points Baklaan!
Lamang.
What a play by Baklaan!
Mechanicals by 2 points.
Dami yun.
Ganyan ba?
Dahil abo.
Kompleto naman ang matanda na. Daming baho, no? Pag matanda na, ganyan na. Pang ano na. Pang ano na.
Pampaano. Malapit nga mag-40s.
Pag matanda na.
Malapit ko na kapag. Malapit kang palitin si Anaw. Yun na! Okay, final 10 minutes po tayo yun. The score is 73-71. Laman po ang Mechanicals ng 3. Bukas po first game po tayo, Hub versus Square Projects, and final game po sa ating elimination round po will be played between QDF at alam po natin yan, ang Oryx.
Shout out kay Albert Marasigan. Kung nanonood
Shoutout
man
po,
siya.
Albert Parasigan. Shoutout po daw sa'yo, sabi ni Mr. Scott.
Pag nanonood siya.
Ano?
Ikaw ang lucky charm ng Oryx.
Oryx.
Yung dalawang talo nila, wala ka nun eh.
Wala ka. Wala ka sa bus ba?
Yari Eleanor, pass to Lakay. Lakay, pwede ba Sora?
Lakay, no good. Uy, uy.
Rebound, Orion. Trapal, Otienda.
Brian! Wala! Trapal! Nakipaglaban! Hop! Trapal! Muntik na! Foul yun! Crossing yun! Bawal yun!
There's a foul there by
Bawal yun, boss! Bawal yun! Crossing yun!
Trapal, first personal foul.
Trapal! First personal foul! 9:30 remaining minute po tayo. Jerome. Jerome, binaba ang bola. Against Trapal. Nakuha ng pick. Rio, nakakuha ng pick. Nakakuha ng bola. Nako! Foul called.
Foul, Trapal.
Trapal called for a foul again. Second na po yan. Second. Trapal, second foul kagad yan. Okay, Jerome for the inbound. Jerome. Kalma. Josh.
14. 10.
Josh, turn around. What? Tulo ko magdulinggon. Binali-balik. Ryle. Royol. Wala. Francis. Uy!
Chin tayo. Foul committed by first.
Okay, ito na. Medyo tayo. Fourth quarter po tayo, ha. Royol, pang-apat na yan, Mr. Royol. Warning for graduate.
Time out.
Okay, si Mike, nag-time out muna po tayo. Si Mike, I think kailangan ng pag-usapan muna nila po ito. Mukhang maalago muli po ang team Mechanicals. Aray ko po. Okay. Matanda na rin ako, grabe. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Sir Badjola is watching. Al-Ain Lim is watching also. Okay, at 8:48 remaining, 70-70 po score po natin. Lamang pa rin po ng dalawa ang Team Mechanicos. Jerome, binababang bola ngayon si Mr. Josh. Ying. Foul called. 2 shots given. Jersey number 7 called for a foul.
Warning for penalty.
Ying number 0 shooting for 2. First shot, Ying. Pasok. Ringer.
Basket for you.
Second shot, Mechanicos. Ying. Oh, tatlo na po. Pang-apat po ito. Pag na-shoot niya, pops up. No good. Rebound na Kanilaw. Abrigana, nagmamadali na. Abrigana. 2 points Abrigana. Ito na, Abrigana. Again, trapping muli po sila. Nako, out of bounds. Blue ball. Out of bounds, blue ball. Thank you po, thank you very much po. And Trapal, number 6. And Abrigana, number 3. Abrigana, nakalusot. Abrigana, against Jerome. Ay, the sky play, malakas. Ayun pala, wala pa rin. Isa. Castro again, Castro. 7:45 remaining.
14 shot clock.
Kalma. Ying, easy to. Oh, tatlo muli. Wala pang 3 points ha. This quarter ha. Ano gagawa ha? Abrigana. Again! Malakas na naman!
Sayang. Dalawang beses.
3 beses na nga. Okay, ano muna? Si Malapad, papasok muna para kay Trapal. Mechanicos want to settle this thing right also. Nag-time up muna po sila. Malapad para kay Trapal. Boss, ano pasok ko pre? Ha? Mahapon lang? Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, si Brian pinasok na rin, si Enteng pinasok na rin, kinakalatan ng magmamando talaga. Si Enteng, nasan ka daw? Sinasabi nila, naghanap siya ng mapasahan. Abrigana, kumuha ng pick. Abrigana, pops up. Duko in and out. Laki nilaw. Nandun si Jerome. Nandun si Abrigana. Matakan na naman sila. Abrigana. Foul! Abrigana was fouled by number 35, si Castro. Abrigana, number 3. 6:59 remaining. Abrigana shooting for 2. Still, na-return the battle for both teams talaga. Pero, pops up Abrigana. Kapos. Second shot Abrigana. 6:59 remaining. Wala na. Abrigana, second throw. Pops up. Wala. Rebound, Ying. Nandun, tap from behind. Di Enteng sana. Ying, Enteng. Ying again. Abrigana, Ying. Nakalusot. Foul called. Now, penalty situation now called. Okay, Shena. Sino papa ni Shena? Si Brian muna raw, sinabi niya. Malapad called for a foul. Okay, Di Guzman para kanino po? Okay, Malapad, nilabas muna ni Di Guzman. Ying, first shot. Wala. Second shot, Ying. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, Ying. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Basket made. 4 po kalamangan. Abregana. Enteng, nandyan na rin. Yung magmamando talaga. Enteng. Fade away shot. 2 points. Enteng, 2 points.
Basic! Teng! Teng!
Seryoso. Eto na, Josh. Hop! Blue ball, sabi.
Billy, nakakuha ka ng passport mo? Nawala yung passport mo doon?
Shena. Di Guzman. Lakanaw for 3. Nope. Rebound. Oy, teka lang po.
Foul committed on jersey number 3, Abregana.
Billy, paano yung ano mo? Billy! Paano yung USB? Saan mo doon? Hindi mo
Agoy.
pa nagamit yun, di ba? Sayang. Ilan USB lagay sa iyo? Oo, yun. Mahal pa naman yun, 700 lang.
Ay, di, ano ko, kaso mahal eh.
700.
250, 2,000 nga ako. Company ano yun eh.
It's in.
Paano nawala?
Mismo yung sasakyan.
Ha? Paano
Grabe.
doon yung bag mo?
Mag-picture lang kami.
Ganun talaga sa California pag may nakita silang bag. May nakuha naman.
Abregana, attacking. Left-handed layup.
Bigyan na 2 points.
Basket.
Again, dalaw na naman. 2:5:47 remaining.
Traffic defense
Still
again.
an eternity of basketball for both. Bocotano, Enteng. Enteng pops up. Nope. Isa ka nakanilaw. Naipit. Nakanilaw. 2 points nakanilaw. Squeeze in. Foul!
Foul committed, jersey number 30.
Jersey number 30 called for a foul.
Di Guzman, second foul.
Ah. Sino pa mga nandun?
Yung kumari ko. Sa kumari ko mayroon na wala, marami, alahas.
Inang yung patay.
Pita.
Che.
Sino tinira mo doon?
Ying.
Ilang araw ka doon?
Malamang.
Basket for Ying.
Wala ko mga Meksikano yun. Tanta ko. Gumawa na.
Pagdating ko, nung ginagabihan, punta kami Laxmo. Tuwala yung kasama namin sa
Ying again. Pasok. Again, 2 points na naman. Mukhang photo finish yata itong laban na to ah. Abregana, Jerome. Abregana! Again!
Foul, jersey number 35.
Castro called for that foul
Lakay,
again.
pangatlo.
Third person upon ni Lakay. Lakay Castro. Abregana number 3 shooting for 2.
Grabe na discount.
Abregana first shot. Wala pa rin.
Nangyari, Negro.
Libok, yung bukal ng mga lumang style, di ba?
Second drive.
Bukal ba
Yan
yun?
yung hinahanap.
Wala pa rin. Oy, teka lang. Isa pa daw.
Ito, Rubio.
Pumasok yung banglakan.
Ay, hindi, kay Nobi. Ano, Kobe rin.
Dito kay ano, kay Digisman, cover yan. Dilaw.
Castro.
Dilaw.
Abregana.
Abregana, pops up again. Wala. Rebound battle won by the blue shirts. Hindi po umabot. Black shirts. Kalma. Ano mo na raw? Sabi, palamig muna to tayo. Palamig muna daw. Kalma, umatake. Kalma. Wala. Lakay. Malakas ang pasan ni Lakay. Malakas ang pasa nila kay that time. Siena. Siena zigzagging. Abrigana.
De Guzman, back to Bibi.
Abrigana, sinadukot. Lacanau. Foul! Photo finish to, tanta ko.
Substitution.
Okay, Royol, papasok muna para kay Billy.
Baklaan, pangatlo.
Baklaan, pangatlo po yan. Lacanau, first shot.
13 foul.
Third team foul. Pumeklat na. Malalim yung kasing sabihin.
Malas sila sa play.
Laki nila, no good. Daming plate ng binato.
Malayo na to pag pumasok pala.
Second shot, laki nila. Jumpers ready po tayo. Split charity or wasted? Split charity is made. Oh, teka lang po. Balik.
Ito, di-book niya, no?
Ito. Simple ang ganda, no? Ganda.
Simple nga lang, parang Jordan 1 lang yung design.
Oo.
Air Force pala.
Kalma. Nice D. Abrigana. Nagmamadali. Abrigana. Ayun, malakas ang pasa kay Enteng. Nandito si Lakay swing the letter. Hop! Abrigana nakalusot. Abaklaan. Abrigana, si Enteng nandun. Enteng naman, Enteng. Palpal. Royol muli. Royol, wala pa rin. Isa pa, Royol. 2 points ni Royol. Chinap-chap. Kalma. Pops up. No good. Rebound, De Guzman. Enteng.
Double team, triple team. De
Guzman. No good.
Lacanau, rebound.
Lacanau. Floater shot. Pasok. Minsan naalala ko game. Si Kalaw din ganyan din niya. Binabalik. Ginagawa yung kamay ko. Pinahampas. Binabalik
Chop yun,
siya.
chop.
China-chop. Gag. Ha? Buddies. So gusto.
Brewster,
Ano sa broster?
Texas.
So, parang gusto mag-burger tayo.
Diyan tumakbo na lang.
So, McDo.
Ha?
Burger din tayo. O ano? Hardee's.
Burger King na lang. Saan pa may Burger King dito? Wala atang Burger King dito.
Alasad lang ako may Burger King.
Artist kasi napakamalo.
O, bakit? Sino magbabayad?
Kasabay tayo dito, taga-matangkad.
Sino?
Siyempre taga-matangkad yung magbabayad tayo.
Ano tayo? Ikaw mag-book. Ikaw magmamamasa ako magbabayad ng ano. Pakala. Iski Hardee's pare.
Pag ano na nga lang tayo, sabay na nga lang tayo kay Logi.
Ayan na.
Right. 3 minutes. 30
Okay,
seconds.
final 3:30 remaining. Tao-tao na naman ang blue shirts. Jerome. Defending well. Baklaan ang lusot. Dado si Riol. Riol. Jolens. Lakalinaw. Nakalusot si Ying. Foul.
De Guzman.
Mapapat.
Third personal foul, De Guzman.
Third personal foul on De Guzman. Ying shooting for 2. Must win. Must made basket na po dito ni Ying to keep them at play. At 3:08 remaining to fourth quarter action.
3 minutes, 8 seconds.
Ying, first shot. Pasok. Ying, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo.
4-point lead.
Ying, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Whoop. Pasok pareho.
Down to 3-point lead.
Okay, Aris Sila, shoutout po.
Remaining 3 minutes.
Sabi ko, narinig tayo niya, pre. Narinig tayo ni Aris, nag-usap tayo. Narinig tayo ni Aris. Sama daw siya.
Substitution. Binibira ko ng
Okay, Trapal, pinasok na naman si Trapal. Ito na po, muli po tayo, Trapal. Trapal, driving. Enteng, 2 points Enteng.
Francis.
Good ball. Baklaan. Kalma again for 3. Pops up, no good.
Rebound, Bocodano.
Enteng against
Tatap-tapin ka yan, ha? Tatap yan, tatap.
Defended by Baclaran. Enteng, pass to Rio.
Riol Kapos.
Rebound by Ying.
Ying naman, Ying.
Triple team, pass to Baclaran.
Wala.
Nakatila.
2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
14 shot clock.
Ying, nandun sa likod. Good ball. Trapal. Royol, 2 pala.
Wala pa rin.
Trapal. 2 points Trapal.
Stop tayo, stop.
Okay, sabunudo tayo. Okay, pinasok na muli si Zero
Last 2 minutes.
o si Josh.
Patay ang oras. Pagkakat basket.
Okay, Josh.
Let's go.
Pumasok muli si Josh.
1 minute.
Ying, nagmamadali si Ying. Ying, okay, pinapawala na si Ying. Ying, Jello, Jolens, wala. 1:37 remaining.
7-point lead for Sky Team. 14 shot clock.
Riol, wala pa rin. Riol, Abricano, Pets,
Pass to Enteng.
Enteng again, Enteng. Pops up, no good.
Wala.
Buhaya!
Jerome with the rebound. Pass to Francis. Late.
Francis, 2 points.
5-point lead.
Casey
1
Perez
minute,
watching.
5 seconds.
Brigana, Lacanalaw. Trapal,
14 shot clock.
Lacanalaw. Abregana for 3.
Abrigana.
No good. Rebound, Enteng. Riol, 2 points Riol. Pak.
35 seconds. Dos.
Tapos.
Substitution.
Okay, 85-92. Umalagwa na po na ngayon ang Sky Team.
32 seconds.
Lamang na po sila po ng 7. More than. Foul, Talisik.
Foul committed by jersey number 17. Warning for penalty. Mecanicos, second personal foul. 24 seconds.
Laki nilang inbounding. Kick pass, Abrigana, mag-isa. 2 points, Abrigana. Okay, that's it. Safety basketball na po tayo. Safety basket na po tayo. Okay.
Tira 3! Papasok yan!
15 seconds.
Okay, Talisik, 3 points. Okay. That's it.
Time out.
Nag-timeout pa.
Wala na!
Okay, concede.
Wala na!
Okay, Mechanicos conceded already, and welcome to the quarterfinals, the Sky Team. You've witnessed now the final game for today between Sky Team and Mechanicos. Kung ang Sky Team po, final score 88-94. Maraming salamat po at tomorrow po tayo, bukas po tayo, meron po tayong The Hub versus Projects. And last game po is QDF versus nandiyan pong Oryx Basketball, of course. Ito po ang antay po natin yung by next year. Do friendly, abangan ang pagbabalik. With it po, maraming salamat po at see you po tomorrow po. Thank you very much.